Hey everyone, today we're comparing 3 awesome tools for notes and productivity: Appflowy, Logseq, and Notion. I'll break down what each one is, then tell you which one is best for what. Let's dive in. First up, we have Appflowy. It's a free, open source tool like Notion, but with a privacy twist. You can use it for notes, projects, or team stuff, and it even has a built-in AI to help you write or brainstorm. It works on your phone, computer, or the web. And since it's open source, you can keep your data safe and tweak it however you like. Next up, we have Logseq. This one's also free and open source, but it's all about organizing your thoughts. It's great for connecting ideas like a personal knowledge web and has cool features like a whiteboard. It's available on all your devices too and keeps everything local for privacy. Finally, we have Notion. It's super popular and packed with features like notes, databases, and team collaboration. It's got a free plan, but the best stuff like its AI costs money. And it starts at $8 a month. And it's perfect if you want something polished and ready to go. So, how do they stack up? Appflowy and Logseq are free and big on privacy since you can control your data. Notion's more expensive but gives you fancier experience. Appflowy is great for teams who want flexibility without paying. Logseq shines if you love digging deep into your notes and ideas. Notion, it's the go-to for a pro and team projects, especially if you're okay with the cost. All three work on any device, so it's really about what you need. Free and private or paid and polished. There you have it, guys. Appflowy for free teamwork, Logseq for brainy note takers, and Notion for a premium vibe. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.